What's up everybody, welcome to Moto. Today we're going to start installing the ape hangers. I finally got all the cables that I need, so we're going to start by unmounting those bars and putting these ones on there. Check it out.
Zaidi,
Okay, so as we did last time, first thing we're going to undo these little caps. There's Allen keys under them, and loosen the bar up so I can take it off. Okay, the old handlebar is unmounted. Now to put on the ape hanger and start looking at what we can move next. Okay, ape hangers are on. Now let's see what we can take off from here. I'm thinking the clutch assembly can potentially be taken off and unhooked from the cables. So we're just dealing with the clutch cable and the lever, and we can try to place that on here. Let's do that. Alright, so after a little bit of struggle, the handle is off. The button cluster is unhooked, and the connection to the clutch signal is unhooked. So we have the clutch assembly as well. So I'm just going to trace where the clutch cable goes, just so I can, it seems to go in here and then follows down this way, and I'm pretty sure it goes behind this cover. So we're going to open that up and see what we see there, and hopefully our new cable is long enough. So I removed the side cover over here, and the clutch cable, so this guy, goes all the way under, and I don't know if you can see it, but right here, this is where it's connected, and then it hooks up to this piece right here. That is the clutch lever essentially. So I'm going to unhook it from this side, hook the new cable to it, or rather unhook it, start fishing out the cable, and tie the new cable to it so it pulls the new cable through, and we have it up at the top. Let's do that. Okay, after a little bit of a struggle, finally have the clutch cable free. So now I'm just going to fish it out, and I'm going to attach the new cable to it, so we can pull it right out, following the same path. So let's do that. Okay, clutch cable is fished through. It looks like we're going to have just the right length. Right now I've pulled it in a bit further than it needs to be. Hasn't been attached yet. Right now I'm going to lubricate it before hooking it up at the bottom. And then we're going to unhook the lever and try to mount it on here. Okay, so we have the clutch cable attached at the bottom. It's not adjusted yet. It's fished through. Up at the top we have the lever with the mirror, and I'm going to hook it up now. Make sure to put this rubber thing on it, just so we have a nice clean look. No chromey bits. And yeah, almost there. Alright, left handlebar is almost done. Now I just need to extend the cables and mount them, the entire switch piece in there. I put on the grip and the counterweight, so that feels nice. Clutch works. Nice and stiff as before. In terms of what I see, it's pretty awesome. I mean, the mirrors are like right in my eyesight. Comfy grips. Very, very happy with this. Alright guys, that was it for this episode. Next episode we're going to continue with setting up the wiring for the buttons on the left side, and hopefully start some progress on the right side. For now, I'm going to call it a day. Pretty good progress. I got the clutch working. The throttle cables are going to be an interesting part because I'm not exactly sure where under the tank they hook up. But we'll figure it out. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. Make sure to check me out on Instagram at Mode2018, where I post updates in between videos, as well as like cool bikes that I see around town. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.